Hello everyone, welcome to our research channel. I'm your old friend Yuna. The car I'm introducing today is the used Toyota Camry. It was manufactured in June 2021 with a 2.0-liter engine. And then let's take a look at its interior. It has black interior with a HUD, and it has 92,000 kilometers. And then I will describe the car's condition to you guys. It has a few touch-ups and is entirely original with no replacement parts. And now the car is available for sale. We have a very attractive limited time offer. If you are interested, please contact us to purchase it. That's all for today. Thanks for watching our video and see you next time.